Namaste students. Today, firstly, we discuss about in text problem page number 9 in text problems of NCERT, which was assignment of previous lecture. So let us start. Question number 1 for page number 9. Convert the following temperature to Celsius scale. A 300 Kelvin. We have to convert Kelvin to degree Celsius. Yesterday, we had established relationship between degree Celsius and Kelvin scale, and the formula is temperature on degree Celsius is equal to temperature on Kelvin scale minus 273. So, in this question, given temperature on Kelvin scale 300. So, using this formula, we know that temperature on degree Celsius is equal to temperature on Kelvin scale minus 273. We can also write this formula as follows: temperature on Kelvin scale, temperature on degree Celsius plus 273. So these both are the formula for degree Celsius and for Kelvin scale. Here given 300 Kelvin, so we use this formula. We have to convert 300 Kelvin to degree Celsius. So degree Celsius K minus 273. Here K 300 minus 273. That's why after subtraction we get 7 9 27. मतलब temperature on degree Celsius 27. Next question, 573 Kelvin. 573 Kelvin. Here given K 573. We know that temperature on Kelvin scale, we have to find out this temperature into degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is equal to what? So we write this formula: degree Celsius Kelvin, temperature on Kelvin scale minus 273. So we write here for Kelvin scale 573 minus 273, here 300, that is temperature on degrees Celsius for 573 Kelvin is 300. Question number 2. What is the physical state of water? Physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius. Students, we know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, and this 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. At 100 degrees Celsius water boils, that means convert into liquid to vapor. One thing I clear that vapor and gas both are different. Then question is, what is vapor? Because we know that gas, a state of matter having neither fixed shape nor fixed volume, is known as gas. Then question is, what is vapor? Vapor, gaseous state of matter which is liquid at room temperature. Gaseous state of matter which is liquid at room temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius is room temperature, is known as vapor. Vapor is the gaseous state of matter which is liquid at room temperature. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, but when it comes at room temperature, it converts into liquid state. So vapor is artificial form of gases, and gas is the natural form. So here question, what is the physical state of water at 250 degree Celsius? So boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and this temperature is larger than boiling point of water. That's why in this temperature it exists as vapor form. That means 250 degrees Celsius water exists in the form of vapor. And second one, here for A and B, 100 degrees Celsius. Dear students, water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. That's why in 100 degrees Celsius water exists in the form of liquid as well as vapor, because at 100 degrees Celsius water boils. That means liquid to vapor. That's why we can say that water exists at 100 degrees Celsius in the form of liquid as well as vapor. Now, yesterday we discussed about can matter change its state. So we know that matter change its state applying temperature and pressure. So we already discussed about temperature. Now we discuss about pressure. Pressure, force per unit area, force per unit area is known as pressure, and pressure is equal to force by area, that is F by A. SI unit of pressure, SI unit of pressure, we know that SI unit of force is Newton, and for area meter into meter, meter square. So Newton per meter square, that is Pascal. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Here pressure of air in atmosphere expressed in terms of atmospheric pressure. Pressure exerted by air, pressure exerted by air is known as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure expressed in terms of ATM. Here symbol for atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. And this can be measured by barometer. This was invented by Torricelli. So 1 ATM, 1 atmospheric pressure, 760 mm of Hg, that is 76 centimeter of Hg, 760 torr of Hg. Torr means Torricelli. 1 mm is equal to 1 torr. So 1 ATM 760 mm of Hg, millimeter 776 centimeter of Hg, 760 torr of Hg. But SI unit of atmospheric pressure is Pascal. So 1 ATM 1 0.03125, sorry, 101.325 Pascal. Other unit for atmospheric pressure is bar. CGS unit. It is also known as dyne per centimeter square, because in CGS unit the unit of force is dyne, and for area centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. One bar 10 to the power 5 Pascal. 1 ATM 1.01 bar, and 1 bar 0.987 ATM. So, dear students, we have known about this atmospheric pressure, and there are different units for this atmospheric pressure. So, dear students, prepare notes, and next day we will discuss about next topics. Thank you.